dear. Lily?
My dear Mr. Bennet, have you heard? Netherfield Park is let at last. Do you not want to know who has taken it?
But as you wish to tell me, my dear, I doubt I have any choice in the matter.
Lily! Kitty, what have I told you about listening at the door? Never mind that. There's a Mr. Bingley arrived from the north. 5,000 a year. Really? He's single? Who's single? Mr. Bingley, apparently.
Well, how can that possibly affect them?
Oh, Mr. Bennet, how can you be so tiresome? You know he must marry one of them.
So that is his desire in settling here.
You must go and visit him at once.
Good heavens. People.
For we may not visit if you do not, as you well know, Mr. Bennet. Listening, you never listen. You must, Papa. At once.
There's no need. I already have.
Have? Oh, Mr. Bennet, how can you tease me so? Have you no compassion for my poor nerves?
Oh, you mistake me, my dear. I have the highest respect for them. They've been my constant companions these 20 years.
Papa?
Is he amiable?
Who? Is he handsome? Who? He's sure to be handsome.
With 5,000 a year, it would not matter if he had warts and a leer.
Who's got warts?
I will give my hearty consent to his marrying whichever of the girls he chooses.
So will he come to the ball tomorrow, Papa?
I believe so.
Mr.